Good morning, students. In yesterday's video, I had taught you the poem in the bazaars of Hyderabad, and I had uploaded the whole poem, and I had told you to learn first 12 lines of the poem. If you have not learned, please see that you learn the poem. Okay, dear students, I hope you will listen to me and you will do what I am telling you. Because if you don't listen, then you will miss your studies. So I want you to study well. Okay, now here few more word meanings are there. So these word meanings you will write in your notebook. Okay, I am telling in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, and right from the first video also few word meanings I have, and I had given you some words, underlined words, to find out the meanings. If you are not found out, please see that you find out. That no need of writing in a fair copy, but then these words, and the last video I had given you some words. Please write that those words also in your notebook. Now here you have the question answers. Today I'm giving all the question answers. I will give you. Read these lines and answer the question that follow. Okay, you have to read this poem's line and answer all these three questions. Okay, so you can go through these questions here. Read these questions. Okay, at the end I have given you the answers. You can go through the answers also. Here B. Okay, one, two, three. All three questions are here. So you can read these questions properly. Okay, you can also understand yourself how it is. Okay, okay. Now after this you have got C. Okay, again poem. You have to read this poem and then answer these questions here. So dear students, listen carefully now here. In this third question and fourth question, I have given you the answers, and the fifth question you will do your own. Okay, mention two things that fascinate the poet about the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, then it is asking, if you go to bazaar, what will how the bazaar will fascinate you. Okay, that you have to answer your own. I cannot, if I give you the answer, that becomes my answer. So this you have to write your own answer. Okay, so here the answers are here. I hope if you go, if you go through first video, I had given you one exercise to do your homework, making connection to write the true false, and see that connected with the poem few sentences were there. If it is true, you write true, and if it is false, you write false. So these are the answers here. Question number 1. Okay, you can go whether if you had done it. So now here 2A, 2B and 2C. Okay, all three answers are here. You can go through this. Okay, 2A, 2B and 2C. Okay, then here again you have got now B1, B2 and B3. All three questions are here. Please write down in your notebook all these question answers. Okay, read these lines and answer the questions. You have to write in your notebook. Now here C1, C2, C3. All these three answers also you have to write in your whatever question answers I am giving you in this video today. I am giving you everything. You have to write in your notebook. Now after this you have question number question number 3. Okay, here answer fourth is here. So 3 is ending here and the fourth. All these answers I have given you so that you don't waste your time. But I want you to learn that poem, first 12 lines. So again and again, students, I am reminding you that you have to learn that poem. So don't think that teachers are not here to see you, but you have to do your work sincerely. Again and again, I remind you, you have to do your studies seriously. Okay, so write these words in your notebook. In first video also I had given you some words like this same way. Okay, that also you have to write in your notebook, homework. Okay, word meanings, right? Then after that you have questions here. All the questions are I have uploaded here. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, so go through this exercise, and this third and fourth I have given. This you will write your own. Again I am reminding you, your own this should be. Don't ask your anybody at home. Okay, read the question properly and then answer me. Okay, then here the answers are away. I had given you, yes, in the first video, making connection questions over there. I don't have to repeat again, I already explained to you. You can see the answers here. And here 2A answer ends here, 2B here, and 2C here. Okay, then here B1 2 3. Okay, this also you can write. Then C1 2 3, all three questions are here. Complete the work on time, dear students. Okay, now question number 3 and question number 4. This is 3 and this is 4, and 5 you have to write your own. I have not given you. So dear students, here I complete this poem. Please, I had given you in 2 pages the explanation of that poem. One is handwritten and one is typed on. So please go through those explanations, the summary of the poem, and learn that who has written that poem. Okay, learn about the poetess also. Okay, the person is Sarojini Naidu. Please learn something about her also. I have given a little explanation about her also in your first video, and see that this poem you complete successfully in your notebooks. So all the best, dear students. Do well and enjoy your studies.